Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Hi, Shivanshu. Hi, Savita. I'm here, guys. Hi, everyone. I was just setting up everything. Good evening, everyone. Please ask your friends to join us. Tell them that we are live. They can join us now. Kindly inform them that we are here. Started the meeting. Good evening. We will be starting in another 2-3 minutes till the time let everyone join. Okay. Sir, all my friends are informed. Thank you so much, Shivanshu. I really like having you and Savita in my session. You guys are very interactive. Yeah, I will start by 7:10 most probably. Let everyone join. I have also put a reminder in all the Telegram groups that we are live and we are here to take up your session. So today's activity is going to be very, very exciting. I know Savita and Shivanshu, they have already watched the previous session and I'm very happy that they're back again. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting. So kindly watch it carefully. Greetings from India. Thank you so much. We're getting a lot of love from Malaysia. Thank you so much. We are blessed. Thank you for joining. Everyone else, kindly inform your friends and ask them to join the session because it's going to be very interesting. We are going to use Quarky in this session. So how is everyone doing? Is everyone doing perfectly fine? So how can I send my project? How can I send you my project, home automation project? Shivanshu, what you can do is you can telegram me your project if you want to. I'm also very excited, Savita. Good evening, Nipun. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, crazy coder Pictoblox. I was missing you. I was like, oh, where is he? You're back again. Missing a third. Where is 80 squad? We will start our session by 7:10. Then, because there are a lot of viewers who are joining us, you can please ask your friends or classmates to join us. We are going to be having a great session. Sahirul Mohammed, I guess is the name. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrect. Hello from Malaysia. Thank you so much. Good evening, Bhavisha. Oh, is it like 21:38 p.m. right now in Malaysia? Oh, okay. How is the weather in Malaysia? Is it nice? How's the weather at your guys' place? I'm also ready for the session. We are starting in just 1 more minute. Waiting for some more students to join. I hope everyone has started planning or idealizing for their project. Bhavishya. Okay, Aarti Sharma. Last time also on the Zoom meeting, you put out, you broke your name like this. Bhavishya. Okay. Bhavishya. I hope now I'm pronouncing it correct. It's cold. So latitude matters. Yep. Rainy season here. Okay. Enjoying the rain, I hope. All right. So I guess it's a good time to start. Already made. Perfect. Okay, so this is the 16th session of the training program of Codeavour 2022. I welcome you all. My name is Vivek Verma, the session host. So in today's session, we are going to make a home automation system. We are going to understand what exactly home automation is, what are its advantages, and how it is, helping us in day-to-day life. All right. Starting with, I request all of you to please join the the Telegram group. The link is there in the chat box. You can join the Telegram group by clicking on the link that is there in the description box as well. So join the Telegram group. If you haven't, you can scan the QR code also on the screen, because this is the official group on which we will be giving you guys all the updates. So I request all of you to join the Telegram group as fast as possible. All right. Moving forward, we are going to play this video so that the new joinees, the new friends, and who have joined us, the new students who have joined us, we all are on the same level. Okay. And even you are also getting all the necessary details revised. So please watch this video carefully and try to understand everything about Codeavour 2022.
For the fourth consecutive year, bringing you the biggest international AI and programming competition for kids, Codeavour 2022 International 4th edition. To make kids aware and inspire them to brainstorm over emerging issues, to make the world a better place, kids need to build solution-based projects on the following theme: save the environment, strengthen the health infrastructure, revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surroundings, make smart transportation system. You can make anything and everything you want, from stories to games, from software-based AI projects to hardware-based projects. Pictoblox, an international AI education and coding platform. You can learn to code, make interactive animations and games, interesting projects based on AI, program actions for robots, and much more. With Pictoblox app now available on Play Store, you can even make your project for the competition on the go. Anyone above 7 years old and falling under 3 age groups can. Yes, you can either participate as a one-person army or in a team of 2 with your coding buddy. Follow these 3 easy steps to participate. Register by entering the team details on the contest portal. Prepare to enhance your coding and AI skill via self-learning material and AI bootcamps. Now that you have the skills required, it's time to show the world what you have got. Submit your project brief, project file, and the project video. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the results. Registration for Codeavour 2022 International starts on 10th of October. The last date to submit your project is 10th January 2023. You can register anytime between 10th of October and 10th of January 2023. The winners of Codeavour 2022 International will be announced on 31st January 2023. Participants stand a chance to win more than 60 prizes worth $20,000 in total. Along with the cash prizes up to $1,000, all the winners will also receive a medal, certificate, and the official Codeavour 2022 AI t-shirt. Participate in the biggest online AI and programming competition for kids with more than 3 lakh plus participants, 1000 plus schools, 1 lakh plus teams from 90 plus countries. So, what are you waiting for? Registration starts today.
So I hope everyone got a little overview about Codeavour 2022 and what it brings for you. All right, moving forward with the session, let us first understand what exactly home automation is. So exactly home automation is. So I can say home automation is having these kind of smart devices in my home by which which I can operate using my mobile phone, which I can operate from speech. That means I can just ask them to turn or ask them to turn on or lower the temperature, or turn off. These kind of devices, these kind of technology when I'm using are these kind of technology that I use, that they come in home automation. Home automation is the ability to control these kind of household applications and making your appliances more featureable, so that you can be relaxed, you can stay calm, and the work will be done by these kind of appliances. The example, the one of the biggest example that I get in my head whenever I'm talking about home automation is the ACs, the air condition. So we have ACs which can be operated by using a mobile phone. So whenever I'm going out, whenever I'm about to come back home, what I can do is I can turn on the AC with the mobile phone, and I can, just come back home and enjoy the nice weather, the chilled room of my, the nice weather of my room. I can enjoy that, and I can relax because I don't have to wait for it to start up the compressor when I come back and then be like, oh, it's very hot, very hot, very hot. So you can do that. This is the technology of home automation. I'm having the ability to control my home appliances using mobile phone. Then there are more activities and features as well. I can control my electricity using Alexa. I can just ask Alexa, and I can be like, Alexa, play this music. Alexa, turn off these lights. Close the drapes, close the curtains. I can ask Alexa to do that too. So these kind of features a home is having, that home can be called as a smart home. And this kind of technology comes under home automation, because I'm making my home automatic. I'm making it smart. Nowadays, the air conditioner, the refrigerator also. So the refrigerator, what they do, they change their temperature themselves according to the temperature where they are, the temperature, the environment. Suppose it's a rainy season in Malaysia. So what the refrigerator will do, it will change the temperature themselves. And it is cold in India right now. The cold season is hitting us. So what will happen? The refrigerator will lower the temperature because of the environment changed. The environment, the temperature, the weather changed. So that is home automation. All these kind of appliances, this kind of technology comes under home automation. Us having the ability to automate and control these household devices is called as home automation. Moving forward, advantages of home automation. So there are a lot of advantages. Bhavishya said that making a home smarter and make it automatic and reduce the workload by owner. Exactly. Yes. Great. Shivanshu said, sir, home automation is a method through which we can control appliances with many ways. Correct. You can do that as well. So can you tell me can you give me the advantages of home automation? I want advantages. I want you guys to give me the advantages of home automation. Why is home automation that advantageous? I want answers, guys. Come on. Okay. So let me start off with one of the advantage. Workload reduce, easier to use. Yes, very good. Bhavishya said it correct. The workload is reduced. It is easier to use. I am asking about the advantages of home automation. They are more efficient. Very good. Now I'm naming Bhavishya correctly. Now she is giving me the best inputs. What is the difference between Alexa and speech artificial intelligence extensions, sir? So Alexa uses the speech recognition and the artificial intelligence extension, that is the speech recognition one. It also recognizes your speech, and you can make the quirky move steps. You can use and build more applications using the speech recognition in Pictoblox application. It is very efficient, easy to control, very efficient to go. So mainly for our grandparents. Yes, Shivanshu, correct. So these are the advantages of home automation. So mainly for our grandparents. Yes. Sir, here I'm boy. Okay, I'm sorry. Bhavishya, I'm sorry. My bad. We can control from far from our home, like office. Yes, you can, definitely. So these are the advantages of home automation. You can control many devices from one place. You can control them even when you're far away from your home. They are really smart. Therefore the energy consumption is very efficient. They consume energy very efficiently, and they help you to save money and time. You can just install solar panels, and you can connect them to your lights, your fans. It will save you energy and time as well as money. Though it is one-time investment, but it will save you a lot of money. So these are the advantages of home automation. Then applications of home automation. You have home automation that are that are used in heating, ventilation, air conditioner, the light control system. We talked about Alexa controlling the lights. Then we have home robots and they are used in security as well. We have smoke detectors also. The pet and baby care. So pet and baby care. So let me give you one example about the pet and baby care. So there are a lot of cameras, the dog cameras that people install when they're out of their house. So they install those kind of cameras in their home, so that whenever they are out, they can monitor what their pet is doing, and they can ask them to eat. Because a lot of times when we go out, the pet don't eat because they feel like they feel sad and emotional that the person, the house family members, they are not there. So the pet feels the pet feels lonely, therefore they don't eat. So therefore they use these kind of cameras so that they can interact. And I've seen those kind of videos. They be like, the pet is not eating, so they can be like, hey Buzo, please eat the food, I'm watching you, get off the table, get off the couch, what are you doing? Right? So these kind of applications, these kind of applications comes under home automation. You have air quality control, you have smart kitchen and smart cooking as well. So smart cooking, so we have these kind of stoves which will increase the heat accordingly. So I will just set the heat that I want this. I'm making this particular dish. We will set the heat. So I have a smart microwave slash oven at my home. So what I will do, I will directly just select that I'm baking a cake. I will select cakes on that panel, the touch panel on it, and I will just put the cake inside it, and it will bake itself. I don't have to set the temperature. I don't have to set the timer. It will bake itself. It will just, ding ding for me, make a sound that it is ready. I will take out the cake and we will eat it. So what is this? These are the applications of home automation. What is home automation? The ability to control the home appliances and have those home appliances having the feature to, by which we can operate them automatically. Okay. Moving forward, in today's session, we are going to make. Okay, that's good, Bhavishya. You are back from your own ID. All right. So this activity that we will be making it using Quirky robot. This little QT over here, we will be using that. And what we are going to do, we are going to make a touch-based lamp. So we have touch pins over here. So we will be setting up the brightness of the lamp according to these touch pins. So if I click on T1, the brightness will be 0. If I click on T2, the brightness will be 20%. Click on T3, brightness will be 40, T4, 60, and then T5, 100. So this is how I will increase the brightness. Okay. All right. Now let's move to the Pictoblox application. Kindly give me a second. I'm just sharing my screen. All right. So yeah, back on the Pictoblox application. So we are going to make this activity in Python interface of Pictoblox application. So we can just switch to Python. And here we go. All right. So what we are going to do, first of all, we have to connect the core key with our PC. So hear me out. Listen to me very, very carefully. If you are connecting your core key robot to your PC or your laptop, you have to download Pictoblox link, so that you can connect your Quirky robot to your PC or laptop with Bluetooth. But if you want to connect your Quirky to your mobile phone, you can directly do that. You do not need to download Pictoblox link. But to connect your Quirky to your PC and your laptops, you need to download Pictoblox link. It is just a very small application. It will run behind the scenes. You won't be able to notice it running, and it will work perfectly fine. Okay. So yeah, please kindly download that application so that you will be able to connect your Quirky to your Pictoblox in your PC as well as in your laptops. Okay, let's connect. So I'm going to turn on my Quirky. So when I turn on the Quirky, you can see it turns on the blue light. Okay, I hope you are able to see it. So once it is turning on the blue light, that means the Quirky is turned on. Now I will click on board and I will select Quirky over here. Okay, now what I have to do, I will just go in the Bluetooth ports, and it is already actually connected. Let me just disconnect. Okay, now I can just click on connect. And now you were able to hear the sound. Sorry, you were able to hear the sound, and now you can see that the blue light turned to green. Okay, so this is how we have to connect Pictoblox application with Quirky in your PCs. All right, I hope it is clear to all of you. All right, give me a second, please. Okay. Moving forward, I'm just going to close it, and you can see that it is here. The Quirky class, it's already being loaded. So now I will be making a pattern, like the pattern which I want to be, displayed as the lamp. So what I can do, I can make a pattern by directly clicking on this. I can just click on this and I can make my own pattern. Okay, let's make the pattern. All right, I will open this. So this is the pattern that we used in the previous class. Let's make a new pattern. Let's just delete this one. Let's design a new pattern. So winters are coming. We can say, I just want to make a whole yellow color pattern over here. So I can just make a yellow color pattern. I can make a smiley face with it like this, though it's not going to be perfect. Oh, it looks very good actually. Yeah, you can do that as well. Or I can just add eyebrow also, but we don't have black color over here. Okay, I think that looks good. So it's like a smiley face lamp. Okay, if you think that this smiley face is a little scary, you can change the color. You can change it to yellow also, or dark yellow. You can say, yeah, dark yellow as well if you want to. Yeah, so there you go. This is the smiley face that I have made. And you can increase this, the smile, make it more big. And yeah, I can just insert this, but I don't want this smile to be this big. And click on insert. So it will insert this pattern over here. Now, if I run this, you'll be able to see. Give me a second, please. Okay, now if I run this, it's going to run the code. Now I'm going to show it to you over here. Oh, my core key got disconnected. Just a second. Kindly give me a second, please. I'm just turning it on again. I guess my core key is out of battery. Okay, let me just connect it to charging cable and let me then connect it and see if it is working or not. Yep. Okay, sorry, my core key was out of battery. My bad. Now it is able to detect it. Now let's connect it. Connect it back again. Now let's run this code and let's display the code, display the pattern. I'm just going to take out the, or just allow me a moment. I'm getting the charger so that I can charge it and show it to you side by side. Okay, just allow me a moment, everyone. All right, I got the core key. It is plugged in. It is getting charged side by side. Okay, I'm going to run the code and I will see the pattern on the core key. So you can see the pattern that it is a smiley face, though it is very, very bright, but you can see the smiley face. So let's just change the color because the white and the yellow, they are very, very bright. You cannot see. Let's change it back to maybe red only. It might be scary, but red is also cute color. Okay. All right. I will just insert this code, delete this one, which I just, yeah. And I will click on run again. It will change the colors. Hopefully it is the correct code. Okay, it is running. Which pattern did I insert? So this is the one now. Okay, let me just delete this whole thing. Yeah, and insert. Now I will run it. Yep, change the color to red. Yeah, red is like more visible. You can change it to blue also if you want to. But I guess this is looking cute. I can say that this is my lamp. Okay. All right. Now what I want to do is so if I'm touching on the T1, let me just clear the screen just a second. Kindly give me a second, please. Okay. Now if I want the brightness to, I want to set the brightness. So what I will do is, suppose if I'm clicking on T1, then I want the brightness to be 0 and it will increase. And when I click on T5, I want the brightness to be 100. So this is what I want to do. For that, I will be using if conditions. I will be using different if conditions, but I want to check this condition forever. So I will be using a forever loop. So can any one of you tell me which statement shall I use to create a forever loop? Any one of you? I want answers. How can I create a forever loop in Python? in Pictoblox? Looking forward to your answers. While, but what condition will I add while? Very good, crazy Pictoblox, Savita, Charitha, technical gamer. No, we don't have to use elif. I'm talking about forever loop. So yes, the first one to answer was, the correct answer was by the crazy coder Pictoblox. Correct, we will be using while too. And crazy coder Pictoblox, you are right, the T will be capital. Very good, you kept that in mind. So what we'll be using, we will be using while, sorry. True. So this is how we create forever loop in Python. So a lot of you say in America and in English, another English accent, we call it as Python, but here in India, we call it as Python. Okay, so it totally depends on you, which accent you are going to opt for. So yeah, just stating this. Then we will be using the if. So if we are touching the touchpad, so let me just give me 1 second. So if we are touching the touchpad, the pad that is over there in the touch pins, we are touching it. 1 second, yeah. If you are touching this, then I want the brightness to be changed. So for that, I have one whole thing that I will be using. So that is the quirky function. So if quirky dot is pad touched, and which pad I want to go for? The T1. If the T1 is touched, then what I want to do, I want to set the brightness. So I will use quirky dot set brightness to 0. This is what we want to do. And the same way we will code for T2, T3, T4, and T5. So what I will do, if quirky dot is pad touched, and which pad touched we want? The T2. We want to check if is the T2 pad touched. If it is touched, then we want the quirky to set the brightness to 20, or you can set the brightness 25 also if you want to. It totally depends on you guys. Okay, that is what we can do. So we are setting it to 20 so that we can see the difference clearly. Now I can just duplicate this code. I can just copy this and I can just paste it here. And I can say is the if the quirky is pad touch T2, T3 is touched, then I want the brightness to be 240. If T4 is touched, then I want the brightness to be 60. And then if T5 is touched, I want the brightness to be 100. That's the whole code, guys. Very easy, right? I'm just going to give a little overview what we are doing here. We are adding a forever loop. And how can we create forever loop? We are just creating a while loop and we are giving the condition as true. So true condition means it's going to run forever, right? So of course, if a condition of any loop is true, that and we don't have any other condition, it is going to run forever. This is how we create a forever loop in Python. Then we are checking, we have created many if condition. The reason why I have created if conditions and we have not used if elif is because I want it to be changed when I touch that specific touch pin. I don't want it to check all the touch pins if I touch only one. So I don't want it to, I don't want to increase the time of or the complexity of the code. Therefore, I'm just using if conditions over here. So if T1 is touched, then we are setting the brightness to 0. If T2 is touched, then we are setting the brightness to 20. And so on and so forth till T5, we want the brightness to be 100. Okay, and we have already made our pattern. So now let's test this out. I'm going to show the quirky over here and I'm going to click on run. And you will be able to see the lamp. Yes, the lamp is here. So now I am clicking on T1. It is turned off. I will click on T2. It is turned on with lower brightness. T3, more brightness. T4, more brightness. T5, the brightest. Then again T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Okay, this is our touch-based lamp. And now what I can do, I can create a different pattern. Let's create a different pattern this time because this pattern was very, very bright. Okay, let's just delete this pattern. Let's create a different pattern. Let's say I want to create something with yellows and different yellows. That's what I want to do. So I can create this. You can create and show your own creativity as well. There is nothing over here. It's very simple, easy. There you go. This is the pattern, and I can just add then this also. It will look more cool. This looks cool. I can just click on insert and it is here. Oh, the pattern is he. That's that's funny. Okay, now I will just stop sharing my screen and I will pin myself so that you are able to see the core key very well. Okay, just going to get the charge a little more out. Yeah. All right, now let's just run the code so that you guys can see me, and I will run the code as well. Yeah, I've run the code. So you can see the pattern is over here. Though you cannot tell the difference between orange and yellow once again because it is very bright. Let's decrease the brightness. Set it to 0. Set it to little high to 20. Then T3, we are setting it to 40. Then T4, we are setting it to 60. Then T5, we are setting it to 100%. Let's go back. 4, we are setting it to low. 3, we are setting it more low. 2, we are setting it 20 and 0. 20, 40, 60, 100. 60, 40, 20, 0. So you were able to see that what we have done, we have just created our own little touch-based lamp. Yep, I hope it is clear to all of you. So that's it for today's session. I hope everything was very, yeah, you can make a tree as well. Okay, you want me to make a tree? I will make a tree, no problem. Let me share the screen once again. Give me a second, please. We can make any pattern we want to. It's not I just made this kind of pattern. If you want, you can make a heart also. Okay, I can show you how to make a heart shape, and I can show you how to make a tree shape as well. It's very easy. You can just you make your own patterns, make it look cute. Okay, do set the LED off here, here. So set the LEDs off, the extra LEDs, and here you go. This is the heart pattern. I can just insert this. I can show you the core key over here. Stop the code. Sorry, and run the code again. It will take some time to execute. There you go. This is the heart pattern. I can start with 0, 20, 40, 60, 100. 60, 40, 20, 0. There you go. Okay, I can now create a tree pattern also. One of you requested, Bhavishya requested tree pattern. Let's create the tree pattern then. I can just delete this. Select green color. Different. So the tree is going to be fat one. I'm making a very fat tree. Okay, you can create a cute one also. And the stem will be red. I can add more green color, different green colors. Okay, I think that looks cute. I can just turn off these LEDs, these extra LEDs, and insert. There you go. I will stop the code. Sorry, I don't stop it before. You have to stop it before, then it will not show any error. I will run it, and you will be able to see the tree pattern. Allow it a second. Till the time I will. Okay, till the time you can see the feedback form link is there in the chat box. Kindly fill the feedback form link. Okay, guys. Start filling the feedback form link till the time it is displaying the tree pattern. The battery is very low. I don't know if it will display or not. Give me a second, please. Okay, I have set it to 0. It is displaying it. Look. Though my tree pattern is very ugly, I know I'm not good in drawing and coloring. Don't judge me, please. So this is the cute little tree pattern. I hope it is you are finding it cute. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can make your own little touch-based lamp. So I request now all of you to please create these kind of projects and start finalizing your projects so that you can submit it as soon as possible, because we are very excited for your projects. I am actually very excited. The whole team, the whole jury members are very excited for your projects, and we are looking forward to as innovative projects as you can submit. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this session. Kindly give me a second, please. Kindly submit the attendance cum feedback form, because it really helps us to understand how the sessions are going and if you are understanding everything or not. Do like this video also, because this helps me to understand that yes, my kids are actually liking the sessions that I'm taking. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you join all the sessions, and because the upcoming session is going to be more interesting. Yes, Loki, the robot that I'm using is Quirky Robot by STEMpedia. Okay, I hope it is clear. All right, so please take out your time to fill the attendance cum feedback form, like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to attend each and every session. Thank you so much, Savita. I was also very excited for today's session. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till the time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Make sure that you are making and submitted innovating projects, and make sure you are submitting the attendance cum feedback form on time. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.